I'm replacing the drive belt on ZTR, not the spindle belt. The PN per the Cub Cadet website is 954-04-317. I got the new belt, but it is not long enough to go over the 3 pulleys.
What shape is the drive belt currently in? Is it cracked, shiny, or frayed at all?
It is broken and badly shredded.
What's the make, model, and year of your car?
Cub Cadet zero-turn mower. Model 17 of CAC 009 year 2013.
Is there anything else the mechanic should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I don't think so.
Belt, A-Type X67.0, part number 954-04317 is the belt shown. Put belt on the 2 transmission pulleys, the engine pulley, then pull the idler back and slip the belt over the idler pulley. https://www.partstree.com/models/RZTL54KH17 of CAC 009 Cub Cadet 54 RZT 0-turn mower Kohler 2013/drive system 3/.
I've been wrestling with this for 2 days. I'm certain that the belt is seated in the 2 transmission pulleys, and no matter how I orient the idler pulley, the belt is not long enough to go over the engine pulley.
Do not put idler on till you have the engine belt on. Idler has to go last.
Hey Curtis, I finally got that belt installed and I can move the mower forward and backwards. Now I have to start working on spindles and blades. Thanks for your help. Tom Haggerty, Columbia, Tennessee.
Good job, thanks for the update.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.